So what's up YouTube, I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be my take on Soft Glam Makeup. So as usual, I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. My eyebrows are done off camera. I do have a video on that already, and that will be linked in the description box below. Now to do some color correcting, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and the Orange Corrector. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm mixing that with the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 390. So I'm jumping straight into eyes. I already have a video on how I highlight and contour my face, and that will be linked in the description box as well. So I'm starting off with the Plouise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumour 3. So for eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Blush Crush Colourpop eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with the shade The One. That is the color that I'm going to be placing in my crease first. I pack the color down really heavy first, and then I blend it out. So I anticipated on this color being darker than what it was appearing on my eye. So I did go in with a brown shade, like a khaki color shade, just so the next color that I'm going into has something to blend in with. The color I'm going in with now is called Cheek to Cheek, and I'm putting that right in my crease and trying my best not to blend it too high in the crease area. Now I'm going back in with my eyeshadow base just to make a blank clean canvas so that our lid shade can shine. So I'm going back in with the color The One, and that color is going to be placed all over the eyelid, and then I'm going to take my blending brush and with no extra product and blend out the edges. So now I'm going in with brown eyeliner, and I definitely believe that brown eyeliner is the softer approach to black eyeliner. So since we're doing soft glam, we're putting brown in our waterline. But now I'm going in with the shade The One again on our lower lash line, and I'm packing on that shade heavy on the lower lash line as well. So now I'm applying my lashes. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Sasha, and I feel like these are the perfect flirty, like soft glam eyelashes. Now I'm going in with the MAC lip gloss in the color Spice. And all the products that I am using will be listed in the description box. So if you have any questions about a product that I'm using, it will be down there. So that is it, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.